Hello and welcome to this quick presentation on GED test dates and test locations from howtogetyourged.org. So for those planning to take GED tests, planning ahead is always important, and that includes knowing what the GED test dates and test locations are. Unlike most standardized tests such as the SAT or AP tests, the test dates for GED depends on the specific testing center the person decides to go to. So takers must first figure out what location they want to get to first. To determine the GED testing location, you have a couple options. You can visit their website at gedtest.org, or there is a link below this video that you can click on, which will take you to their services. But on the front page of that site, there is a list of links, and one of them should say Locate Testing Center. So once you click on the link, you'll be directed to the site where you can put in the zip code. And once you submit your zip code, the official testing centers nearest you will be displayed. The list does not show the test dates and times that each place offers, so what you'll have to do is call those centers and figure out their schedules so you can plan accordingly. Sometimes though, the GED Testing Center may have that information on their site. So when you're picking a testing center and a date to take the test on, it is important to remember that different locations have different policies regarding the exam. So for example, one center may ask you to take the whole exam in one sitting, which could take 7 hours. I would recommend looking for the center though that lets you spread the tests apart, because there's going to be 5 of them. So ask them what their policy is, and if you can take tests, spread them out. What their retake policy is good to know. So if you decide to divide and spread out the sections of the GED test, you also need to keep in mind that you possibly have to take the test on non-consecutive days. Oftentimes this is inconsistent arrangement, disrupts people's schedules, but it can be helped. Unless you have a strong mental endurance, it is generally not recommended for people to take the entire 7-hour exam in one sitting. So in spite of scheduling issues that may cause, it's better to spread it out and make sure that you get the best scores possible on that test. Anyway, as we chatted before, it's best to plan your testing location and test date as soon as possible. Popular GED testing centers and their corresponding dates fill up quickly, so it is always suggested to register right away to guarantee your spot for the GED exam. And what you can do next, since you're here on this page wanting to get information, simply click on the link below and you'll get to our page, GED Test Dates and Test Locations, where there'll be several links for you to use to get more information on centers nearby you, policies, contact information, phones, emails, etc. Plus probably some of their policies. So hope this helped out, and go ahead and just click on that link below, and that will get you to the next step. Thank you.